Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So for today we get to work on the supercar, the Lotus. Ivan did all the hard work by getting the fiberglass on there, getting it rough shaped in. That definitely took a lot of time, and then he primered it. So now I get the fun job of just wet sanding and doing the final little details and say, hey, I got it done. I did a bunch of body work myself. Take the credit. Just kidding. No, Ivan did a lot of work on it. I'm gonna help him out, get the clear coat off, the clear bra off there. Like I said, a lot of wet sanding still, a lot of fine finessing. I mean, you're probably doing like 800 grit sandpaper. It's literally just like paper, but we're sanding it down there to make it real smooth and, you know, hide any imperfection kind of thing and just smooth everything out. So let's not waste any time. Let's get out there. It's still kind of cold, but we'll turn the heaters on, whatever, put some sweaters on, no big problem. And we'll get this thing sanded and hopefully prep for paint.
just like that, it's the next day, and pretty much all day of sanding, we got this thing pretty much ready to start getting taped up and painted. So next step is today is gonna start taping all these parts up together. We gotta make sure we got good tape lines, everything's covered, no overspray, wipe everything down, and we're gonna try to paint everything at once, so it's gonna match really good. So we're gonna probably leave the car here. We're gonna get the door right here. We're gonna get the rear trunk lid next to it. We probably got the top and the back, so we got a lot of little pieces. But I want to paint everything at once because yellow is really hard to match if you paint separately. Even if you it just doesn't match that well. So we want everything to match. We're pretty much not painting that door in that quarter panel because we're gonna blend on the rest. We're not gonna get any yellow paint over there, so that's not gonna be a big deal. So right now we'll go ahead and get this thing wax and grease removed. Wipe everything out so the tape's gonna stick really nice to it. We're gonna start taping it up, and it's probably gonna take us a while. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing knocked out, and hopefully get looking good or ready for the paint job. So let's get straight to work.
So I went and used this air jack right here. Pretty awesome. Definitely nifty. Got this whole thing lifted up. Ivan is going at it, getting all the gaps, making sure no overspray goes. And this way it's a lot higher and easier to spray for Ivan because he doesn't like to get low, make some runs. None of that.
And this is my favorite car, so I really care.
Oh yeah.
I really care.
For sure, but it's looking good.
Definitely better than the C8. I don't know what you guys are.
Yeah, no, Ivan, you're crazy, man. The C8 all day.
I would drive this over the C8, sorry guys.
Most of these come with roll-up windows. Even for this to have power is like a luxury. So no, I don't know, Ivan.
Look, I'm not that old to drive a C8. No.
I guess they're both mid-engines. Would this classify as a mid-engine?
Yeah.
Not like a rear.
This is the Toyota, guys. Reliable. Even though the Corvette's reliable, but
Dang. But yeah, getting it prepped up for paint. It's all about the prep work.
and just like that, we got the whole car taped up. It's looking really good. I took my time, I got everything maxed up, make sure there's gonna be no overspray. Wiped it down, pretty much it's gonna be ready for the paint. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode. You guys stay tuned. Leave us a comment down below what the progress is so far. If I did a good tape job, if I should have done it a different way. But I'm pretty happy with it, and we'll catch you guys next time.